Hey guys, this is Karthikeya here. I designed my second static website. In that second static website, I'm having different layouts, a background image, a main heading for that background image, five different cards, one, two, three, four, and five. I use these cards as buttons also. In these cards, I'm having the card heading, card description, and an image as well. For this website to get like this, I use the selector named as entire background container, and I gave the rule set like this is the rule set I have written for the entire background container, and I got the output with the background image. Next, I want the main heading to be done. Entire background heading is the selector name I have given for that, and this is the rule set I have given for that. I got an output with a background heading with a background image and heading over that. Next, I used a card. For this card, I used a rule set like this. I got an output with a background image, heading over that, and a card on it, and a card on it. These deflex and flex row are the bootstrap elements. I use those in HTML. Next, I used a button. If the user wants to know the further details about any particular company or anything, if you press that button, he can go inside. Next, I used a selector named as card heading. The card heading in the sense this color of the card and those all. This is the rules that I have written for that card heading. Next, I will have to write the rules set for the card description. And this is the rules that I have written for that card description. Okay, that's fine. Now the main part is I will have to get the image for that. For that I used an img HTML element with a source attribute, and I have given the link where I should get the image from the Google. Next, I use the another selector called as card image. In that card image, what I have to do is I will have to get that image in this particular size. No? That is why I gave the rule set for that card image also. This is the rule set I have written for that card image. And I got the output like this. In the similar way, I have written for the four other cards. For this, I have written for the Indigo card. Next, in the similar way, I wrote it for the Spice Jet. In the similar way, I have written for the Vistara as well. And in the same way, I have written for the TrueJet and Align also. This is the website I have written, and this is the basic and the main content of this website and the main content of this code how I have done this website. Thank you guys. Thank you for showing interest in watching my second experience, that is creating the second static website on my own after joining this ccbp4.o program.